Hi, in front of me is ASUS Zenfone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this ASUS device. Firstly, you need to open Play Store, click on the search bar over here, and type iOS Launcher. Then download this app from this developer. Open it, tap on while using the app, allow, and click Home button. Select iOS Launcher by clicking on it, choose Always and tap Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!